I want you to take a look at this product. It covers up to 800 square feet. It's called Rejuvenate. It's an outdoor furniture color restorer. This is the third year I'm using this on a table I have out there, and I'm going to take you outside and show you the table and show you how it came out. I should have done a video of me putting it on, but I forgot. But I'm going to go show it to you now. Remember, Rejuvenate. So we're going to walk over here. I'm going to show you the finish on the table. This was just done with Rejuvenate. It used to look like this. Okay, that's a good indication of how it was. And this is how it is now. It takes a good 24 hours to dry up. I mean, I can touch it, but I'm not going to put anything on it for 24 hours. It does come out beautiful. I use this on this table every year. And again, that's what it looked like before I put it on there. I only do the top because that's really all I care about. But if you want to refinish, or not refinish, but rejuvenate any outdoor furniture you have, it even works on plastic. This happens to be an aluminum finish. But that's how it looks. It comes out beautiful, and it actually looks brand new. Don't hesitate to try this product. The link will be in the description. And please subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much.